You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is -32 equals -32. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all j terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 8j from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. The statement is true. This equation is true for any value of j. And so the final result is -32 equals -32.